Hey fam, you remember me Ntuli from the Real Housewives of Durban who assaulted Londi London on national TV? Well, she has good news. She got married on the 21st of June 2025. She became a Mrs. And today she took to a social media platform to share this beautiful news, saying they arrived with cows. What a beautiful year of blessings. God has been so good. This career has been missing a lot of family events, but the way my family showed up for me on this day, my word, it had me so emotional. Such a beautiful reminder of how loved I truly am. Thank you, my family. I love you. God bless you all abundantly. Min is definitely one girl that should be married because should there be any cheeky in-laws, she'll be able to sort them out. Otherwise, there's this lady Mpumi who's calling out Jub Jub for his hypocrisy following everything that he's been doing on social media, okay? She's saying that Jub Jub did not try hard enough. And some people are saying, no, he did try. If you listen to his video, you'll get that part. But what she's saying is, family or children's court works. Mediation options are plenty. Is he willing? Now, do take a look at what she's saying and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
Jup jup, mulimo maaruhanya. Cela ubuye, ndicela ubuye. We are not done. Mulimo, stop it. Stop it, Mulimo. You are a hypocrite. Don't be a hypocrite when it comes to you being responsible. Stop it. You are a hypocrite. You know, umthetho walapha eSouth Africa uyasebenza. It worked for you when you ran away from your sentence. Ne? You knew your rights. Also, this time around, use the law. Yes, South Africa, that you used. Stop it. Don't be a hypocrite. Use the law that you used all the time. Use the resources that you use for other things and go and get access to your son. And even before you get your access, whilst you are still fighting for the access, maintain your child. Your child needs accommodation, needs schooling, needs a therapy, needs all those things. And he needs your presence. Stop it. Don't be a hypocrite. Don't fix other people's problems whilst you're not fixing yours. What's wrong with you? Huh? You're gallivanting all around, fixing other people's problems, but ezakho, you're not doing anything. Uhlulekile, and you're hiding behind Guti. Hey, Ukeli doesn't want to umntwana and whatever. One day, Christian will come to you. That day must come. It's been a long time. Your child needs you, and pay maintenance. Don't use an excuse. Don't use an excuse. Play your part. Stop it. I end there.